Hi children, today I am going to explain hundreds. See here children, hundreds. Today in previous classes, tenths up to tenths you had to studied. Okay, today hundreds. Okay, see here 1, 2. This is ones and tenths, not tenths, tenths only. Okay, here after point, tenths, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, this one write in fraction 1 by tenths, 1 tenths. This one 1 by 100. Okay, this one 1 by 1000. Understand? Okay, see here children, one table is there. Some squares are there. Shaded portion 8 squares are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come this side. 8 by tenths. Sorry, 8 by hundreds. 0.08. Write in decimal 0.08. See here, total one big box. How many boxes are there? Squares are there? 100. In 100, how many shaded portions? 8. So you have to write in fraction 8 by 100. Okay, write in decimal form 0.08. Understand? Okay. See here children, next box 15 squares are there. 15 divided by 100. Okay. 15 squares shaded. Okay. 15 by 100. Okay. Decimal numbers 0. Decimal form this one 0.15. Read this one 0.15. Read this one 0.08. Understand? See here, ones, 2, tenths, 1 by 10, hundreds, write in fraction 1 by 100. Okay, write this one. 2 plus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 100. Okay, see here, some examples are there. You have to clearly see some tables are there. See here, ones 1 place value, tenths 1 divided by 10, hundreds 1 by 100. Okay, see here. Okay, see here children, write as decimals. Okay, example 4 by 5. Write in decimal form. See here one example. 4 by 5. Okay. First you have to make denominator like 10, 100, 1000. Okay. That type number comes there. So you have to multiply here 2. Same number you have to multiply by numerator 2. Okay, 8 by 10. You get easy answer. Now you have to write easily in decimal form 0.8. Understand? See here children, some 8 examples are there. Write as fractions in lowest term. First you have to write in this one. This is decimal form. You have to write in fraction. After you have to convert lowest form. Okay, lowest term. Okay, see here 0.04 equal to this one, write in fraction. 4 is in hundreds place. Okay, 4 hundreds. You have to read this one. 4 hundreds. 4 by 100. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 25 are get cancelled. Answer is 1 by 25. Okay, very easy. Next, 2.34. 2 ones place. Okay, plus 3 tenths or 34 direct you have to take. Okay, see here 34 divided by 100. Also this one you have to write, very easy. 2.34. Okay, we have to write this one, 234 divided by 100. Yes. Okay, see here how many digits are there. Write two zeros. You have to take 2 zeros. Next, convert in lowest form. Okay, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Yes, get cancelled. 2 5s are 0 as it is. Okay, 117 divided by 50. Again you convert this one. 117. No. Yes. This one write in mixed fraction. 50. 2 is 100. Numerator 17. 117 minus 100. 17 numerator. Denominator, so you have to put in numerator place, denominator as it is. This is final answer. Understand? Okay. See here children. 0.342. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. After point 1, 2, 3. So you have to take 1000. 342 thousands. Okay, 342 divided by 1000. We're dividing number 2 after. Answer is lowest term is 171 divided by 500. Okay, very easy. Write each of the following as decimals. Very easy. We have to write in decimal form. Put that place value table, that one you have to use and you get easy answer. We have to write decimal form. This is, see here, write each of the following as a decimals. 306 and 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. 306 plus 7 hundreds. 7 divided by 100. Tenths place value is, they didn't mention here, so you have to put 0. Next, 306.07. Okay, 11.235. 11.235. Okay, 235. We have to read like this. Okay, some examples are there. You have to clearly solve these problems. If any doubt, ask me. And some exercise questions. See here, 2.8. Okay, complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. Okay, very easy. Some previous boxes you have to learn. See here, like this you have to make a table, and they given table already. So you have to draw and put one box also draw and write decimal form. Okay, first you write in fraction, after you have to write in decimal form here. Okay, place values you have to put here. Okay, next write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Okay, they given some numbers here, you have to write decimal form. Very easy. Okay, see here children, write the following decimals in the place value table. Very easy. You have to see here, write the following decimals in the place value table. We have to make one table, all values you have to write in one table only. Okay, very easy. All numbers, one table you have to make up to, see here, this side after before point values hundreds you take. After place values, see here, up to thousands. So you have to make that table and write all A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we have to make one table. Okay, next write each of the following as decimals. Very easy. They given expanded form, you have to write in decimal form. Very easy. Okay, next write each of the following decimals in words. 0.03, you have to write like this only. Okay, very easy. Complete this one. Okay, next, between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lies? See here children, 0.06. See here, yesterday you had to write 0.6. This number lies in between 0 and 1. But this one, 0 and 0.1. In between these two, how many digits are there? 10. So you have to write 0.01 like this you have to write, and finally 0.1 comes before 0.09 after number 0.1. So 0.06 lies in between 0 and 0.1. Understand? See here, 0.45, 0.4 and 0.5. In these two numbers, in between these two numbers, 0.45 is there. Understand? Like this you have to write. Okay. Next, write as fractions in lowest terms. Very easy. You have to write first decimal to fraction. After you have to write in lowest form, converting. See here, 0.60 is there. Okay. First write in fraction this one. 60 divided by 100. Okay, and 0 get cancelled. 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5 is the lowest form of this decimal number. Understand? Okay, like this you have to solve. Complete today only 8.2 exercise. Please today only complete this exercise. Tomorrow continue 8.3 because of you have to do fast because of next month first semester exam will be conducted. So you have to day by day you have to solve fast. Okay, if any doubt in WhatsApp group, you have to clarify the answers, and some questions are not understand, so you have to discuss with me. Please cooperate. And some students are not added, so you have to add. Please, day by day you have to improve. Okay, thank you.